Hey everyone, it's Dr. A back in the garden, and I'm always, it seems, I don't mean to, but I'm always preaching about solution gardening as opposed to one more fabulous new plant. I love new plants, as you know, but most people want to know about solutions. So let me just demonstrate. I really wanted in this bed, it's kind of shady, something colorful that would fill in the ground. And so this Creeping Jenny, it just does beautifully for me here. It comes around and it fills in all through the garden so that I have something colorful and I have something that works. And it's a solution to my colorful ground cover in the shade. Let me mention something, well, that may be too small for some of you. So just bear with me as I wander through the garden here and show you something else. Over here is Sun King. That's an Aurelia. It's in deep shade. But again, it's going to fill in that area, I hope. We always hope. And but that's my choice for a solution with a little bit more oomph to it than just a ground cover. So there's an example of filling in with colorful ground covers for the shade. And here's something colorful too. The Japanese painted ferns. They always draw the eye because, well, they're colorful. So there's solutions. My solution for shade and colorful, there you go. Let me just come back a little bit further. Maybe my solutions for deer might be hellebores. So you can see here, I have a lot of hellebores in this garden because the deer do come in. And I got roses and hibiscus and everything else the deer love, and I do my best to keep them away. But for my solution, I use hellebores, and there's one there, and here's another one down here. And what about another solution? People are always asking about pollinators. Well, goodness gracious, there's a ton of pollinators, both native and not so native, and I think there's a couple of bees running around here on the larkspur. Now, larkspur is not easy to find because, you know, it's kind of an annually thing, but big deal. It reseeds if you like it, and yeah, there's lots of pollinators on this guy. And if you want to sort of go, well, a little bit more commonplace, how about the Shasta Daisy? These daisy flowers are attracting pollinators, and none right now, but they'll be full of bees and butterflies as well. So the whole pollinator thing, there's lots and lots of choices. And this is just a couple of examples of how I look at solution gardening. Solutions for problems in the garden. Anyway, let's have fun. Let's go gardening. Let's solve some problems.